Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Also, you should wait until the end of this video because I have a new service that I am thinking of offering you guys. Stay tuned until the end of the video. Tesla closed at $1.18 up, 0.16%. We closed at $733.57. Post-market, we are down 31 cents. So an interesting day. What we have right now is we have a green candle with a very small body. And we have a very long wick at the bottom, so showing nice buying pressure throughout the day. So the stock came down, but then was pushed back up. And we are almost smack on our support of 723. So our 723 support has been validated. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So I have adjusted this support right here. So you will see that basically with this adjustment, what happened yesterday was that we closed above support. We closed above support, but the stochastic was very low. So I was thinking that the stock was heading down. This is what happened in the short term. So the stock headed down towards 723. So we had a low of 724.21. That was the low of the day. Then we went back up to 731 and retested the 731 and came back down a little bit. And during the last hour, we broke 731 going up. There is some strength in this stock to have just come down and came back up again. So people are seeing Tesla going down a little bit and they are just jumping into it to make it go higher. So we are still back between our hourly congestion between 731 and 740.71. And we also have our 723 support on the daily chart as a safety net. Let's go back to the daily chart. So let's look at the indicators. Stochastic still super strong at 90. Lots of strength in this stock. RSI is still not convinced. Sometimes some indicators are wrong and sometimes the stock is just taking some time to reflect what the indicator is saying. MACD nice and DMI still super nice. So all in all, after this nice run that we had, we are just into a consolidation phase. So some people are taking profits and some people are buying into Tesla. So there's a little bit of a fight between the two. The fight is equal, so the stock is not moving that much. Let me talk to you about this idea I just had last night. So I've had people in the comments ask me, would you do a technical analysis for this? Would you do a technical analysis for that? I love doing technical analysis, but I have a limited amount of time. So it needs to be worthwhile for me. If you want me to do a 5-minute technical analysis video on the stock of your choosing, write it down in the comments, tip me $20, and then during the weekend following the week where you made the comment, I will publish a video containing all of the technical analysis that you tipped me for. So in the comment, you need to write the symbol of the stock you want me to take a look at. And you need to write the name of the stock because sometimes the symbol name is the same for different companies and different exchanges. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can also join me as a member of this channel, and for $5 a month, you will get access to my exclusive technical analysis video I do on the weekend for Tesla and Palantir, looking at the weekly chart, and also this weekend, because it's the end of the month, we are going to look at the monthly chart also. I'm going to wish you a great Labor Day weekend. This is almost one of the only holidays, except Christmas, that we in Canada and in the US we have in common. It's going to be a holiday on Monday. So I'm going to talk to you on Tuesday. So I wish you a great long weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.